Rafflesia is a genus of parasitic flowering plants. It contains approximately 28 species, all found in southeastern Asia, on Indonesia, Malaysia, Borneo, Sumatra, Thailand and the Philippines. Rafflesia was found in the Indonesian rainforest by an Indonesian guide working for Dr. Joseph Arnold in 1818, and named after Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles, the leader of the expedition. It was discovered even earlier by Louis Deschamps in Java between 1791 and 1794, but his notes and illustrations, seized by the British in 1803, were not available to Western science until 1861. The plant has no stems, leaves or true roots. It is a holoparasite of vines in the genus Tetrastigma, spreading its absorptive organ, the haustorium, inside the tissue of the vine. The only part of the plant that can be seen outside the host vine is the five-petaled flower. In some species, such as Rafflesia arnoldii, the flower may be over 100 centimeters in diameter, and weigh up to 10 kilograms. Even the smallest species, a baltae, has 12 cm diameter flowers. The flowers look and smell like rotting flesh, hence its local names which translate to corpse flower, or meat flower. The foul odor attracts insects such as flies, which transport pollen from male to female flowers. Most species have separate male and female flowers, but a few have hermaphroditic flowers. Little is known about seed dispersal. However, tree shrews and other forest mammals eat the fruits and disperse the seeds. Rafflesia is the official state flower of Indonesia, the Sabah state in Malaysia, and of the Surat Thani province, Thailand. The name corpse flower applied to Rafflesia can be confusing because this common name also refers to the Titanorum of the family Araceae. Moreover, because Amorphopalis has the world's largest unbranched inflorescence, it is sometimes mistakenly credited as having the world's largest flower. Both Rafflesia and Amorphopalis are flowering plants, but they are only distantly related. Rafflesia arnoldii has the largest single flower of any flowering plant, at least in terms of weight. A titanum has the largest unbranched inflorescence, while the taller pot palm forms the largest branched inflorescence, containing thousands of flowers. The taller pot is monocarpic, meaning the individual plants die after flowering. Classification. Species: Rafflesia arnoldii, Rafflesia aurantia, Rafflesia azlinea, Rafflesia baltae, Rafflesia banculensis, Rafflesia cantler, Rafflesia godartensis, Rafflesia hasselter, Rafflesia kearthii, Rafflesia kerua, Rafflesia leonardi, Rafflesia lobata, Rafflesia manilana, Rafflesia micropylora, Rafflesia myra, Rafflesia patma, Rafflesia philippensis, Rafflesia prisae, Rafflesia wachusnii, Rafflesia scherdenbergiana, Rafflesia speciosa, Rafflesia tencuadlinea, Rafflesia tuanmudae, Rafflesia verrucosa, unverified species, Rafflesia boniensis, Rafflesia ciliata, Rafflesia titan, Rafflesia wheatcampi. Comparison of mitochondrial DNA sequences of Rafflesia with other angiosperm mtDNA indicated this parasite evolved from photosynthetic plants of the order Malpighiales. Another study from that same year confirmed this result using both mtDNA and nuclear DNA sequences, and showed the three other groups traditionally classified in Rafflesia were unrelated. A more recent study found Rafflesia and its relatives to be embedded within the family Euphorbiaceae, which is surprising, as members of that family typically have very small flowers. According to their analysis, the rate of flower size evolution was more or less constant throughout the family except at the origin of Rafflesia, where the flowers rapidly evolved to become much larger before reverting to the slower rate of change. Malaysian species. Species native to Malaysia include Rafflesia arnoldii, Rafflesia cantler, Rafflesia hasselter, Rafflesia kearthii, Rafflesia kerua, Rafflesia prisae, and Rafflesia tencuadlinea. R. arnoldii boasts the world's largest single bloom. Some endemic Malaysian species, such as R. kearthii, begin blooming at night and start to decompose only 2 to 3 days later. The time from bud emergence to flowering is 6 to 9 months. Male and female flowers must be opened simultaneously for pollination to occur, hence successful pollination and fruit production are quite rare. In addition to habitat loss, these reproductive limitations are contributing factors to why many species are endangered. Archaea is found along the eastern slopes of Mount Kinabalu in the Lowan Valley of Sabah. Rafflesia tuanmudae is endemic to only Gunung Gading National Park in Sarawak. Loss of the chloroplast genome, research published in the journal Molecular Biology and Evolution, 2, reveals that one Philippine Rafflesia species from the island of Luzon, Alagasky, has lost the genome of its chloroplast, and it is speculated that the loss happened due to the parasitic lifestyle of the plant. This discovery makes Rafflesia the first land plant without a chloroplast genome, which had once thought to be impossible. 3, 4. See also, Amorphopalus titanum, similar-smelling plant, sometimes known as corpse flower. Parasitic plant, carrion plant, references. Further reading, Jamilinace. Rafflesia of the world. Kota Kinabalu, Sabah Parks. ISBN A983-812-042-1. OCLCA 50043098. External links, Rafflesia flower and threats, parasitic plant connection, Rafflesia gallery, archive, images and movies of the Rafflesia.